I start this laptop after CMOS setting. Every time this screen display at the starting time. Laptop main problem is CMOS battery low problem. So you have to change the CMOS battery of this PC or the laptop. So disconnect the power cable, remove battery, and all the screw, remove this CD player and remove the screw. After then you have to remove this battery. Yes, 20 DC volt. It's only 0.28 volts. So this new one is 3.05 volts. So you replace this CMOS battery and then start PC. Same screen has been displayed again. So for the CMOS setting, press F10 of your keyboards, go to configure menu and go boot options and press enter key. By default it is legacy supports is disabled, so you enable these options. Go to legacy option. Now it's disabled, so you have to enable these options. Press enter and choose enable option and press enter and choose yes and press enter and save the setting. So press again F10 of your keyboard and press enter 1915 plus enter to complete this change. So you have to press this padu and enter and the process will be complete here. PC window has been started. This way we can easily solve